Hi boys and girls. So the next thing I want us to do is make sure you are in your Google Classroom. We are in the unit of telling time, and I want you to make sure you are on lesson 1. So go ahead and click onto lesson 1 so you make sure you're there. And I want you to go towards the bottom a little bit, and you're going to find this activity. And you're probably going to click it and say, Mrs. Soloy, I have no clue what you want me to do. So we're going to show you. So you're going to click on that Numeracy Basics, and it's going to bring up an analog clock. And you should know this is an analog clock. It does have numbers. It's like a face of a watch, or even the clock that's in our classroom. And you will notice it has 2 hands. Does anyone know what this shorthand is called? Yes, it is called the hour hand, and as you can see, it only moves in one direction on a real clock. But on this clock, you will see it does go backwards for your convenience to find the correct time that you're looking for. However, always know that it will only go up from the number previously, so 9, 10, 11, 12. It will never go backwards. The next thing is this hand. Who knows what this hand is called? Notice it is the longer hand. Yes, it is called the minute hand. Okay, so you will see the same thing. It does only go in one direction, but I do want you to notice one more thing. Look right here at this hand. When I move this hand, it moves as well. So if I started both of them at the 12, and I go and take this minute hand all the way around again to the 12, you'll notice I went all the way around the clock, and the hour hand is now pointing towards the 1. This continues to happen. If I continue to take this minute hand for every minute in the day, you will see it goes to the next. It will continue to do this. So what I want you to do on this activity is just make sure that you play with this clock and get familiar with it. You will see it again in the other lessons, and this is just a basics of learning how to mess with the clock and get the time that you're looking for.